Lena indawo lapho kubulawe khona uNgendane kusolwa ukuthi uhlaselwe abalisa abathathu ngeibhamu kanti imbangela yokubulawa kwakhe ayikaziwa. Othisha bakulesikole basashaqekile.
We don't even know if the hit was for her really now, or it was a mistake, or they wanted somebody else. So we feel really scared, I must say. When you go out of the yard, you just don't know what is really happening. If somebody comes, you just panic.
Ozakwabo bathi ube ngumuntu oyithobile futhi enothando.
I felt very sad because imagine the whole day I was with her, and then all of a sudden I see her lifeless body lying on the ground with bullet wound to her head. It was so bad.
Ekhuluma noThisha namhlanje ekseni Owengamele ezemfundo eGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uthe izinto ayikwazi ukuqhubeka ngendlela ejwayelekile kube kubulawe ngesihluku omunye wabo. Thishanhloko uchaze uNgendane njengomuntu obeyimisele kanti balahlekelwe kakhulu.
What happened is tragic and it's going to stay on our minds, I think, for the rest of our lives, because we've never seen something like this in the rest of my teaching career.
Ekhuluma nabafundi uLesufi uqinisekele esikole ukuthi abezomthetho bazosebenza ngokuyikhandla ukuqiniseka ukuphepha kwaso kanye nokuthola ababulali. Uphinde wanxenxa umphakathi ukuba uyeke ukufafaza okungelona iqiniso ngembangela yalesigameko.
Those that are heartless, those that don't understand this sector, started to circulate wrong information, and that deepened the hurt and made things difficult to all of us. It is only the killer that knows the motive.
Ngendane obeneminyaka engamashumi amahlanu waqokwa njengephini lika thishanhloko ngomandulo wanyakenye kanti usesebenze kulesikole iminyaka eli10. Abafundi bamkhumbule ngeindlela ezehlukene namhlanje.